Hello, how are you today? It's Janet. First, here's a picture of the juice. I put it in a jar to come downstairs and sit and work for a little bit. I'm finding, and I'm sure you've heard this before, eating or drinking a juice while you're not doing something else is a very good habit. I've noticed it with my digestion. Like once it's done, to see about keeping it into one's habits. So this one has, let's see, in English, chard, beet, you can see, ginger, a little bit of ginger, a lot of chard, a few sticks of nice fresh celery, 2 nice juicy cucumbers, 1 small lime, and then it has an orange in it, but I cut the skin off the orange and then put through the juicer, most of it, and kept as much white as possible, that pith. I don't know if anybody watching this they're still teaching that word. The pith of the orange, which contains a lot of great nutrients to it too. And then a tiny bit of water, and this makes the juice. To see? I still make them fresh every day. They probably could last till tomorrow since they have the citrus in them. It's good. Let's see. Yep. Today I went to the shop, got a cabbage, and I got this. Ready? I reused the plastic bag. Another Guanabana. There's the top. And you can see it's nice and soft and ready to eat. And I'll put another video about where I eat it, and you can see the inside of it. There's a view of some of the big bunch of cucumbers I got, and then here, come around, is a mixture of oranges, lemons, limes. Not all bought today. Ready? Here we come in here. Are some of the nice fresh local avocados, mango. This is a cherimoya. Kind of grows wild here in Ecuador. There's a couple different kinds of papayas. And we have plantains waiting to turn black. A few tomatoes. And that's what I keep. Well, no, upstairs I have some things out of the refrigerator for the day. And then also in the refrigerator, there's mostly the greens. I keep grapes in there when I can. And the grapes here are very good. I would encourage people to keep asking their suppliers for good grapes. You can get ones from Chile. I don't think they spray them very much. I read that if people started eating grapes again, they have a great benefit. They're a wonderful breakfast. Okay, that's it for now. See you later. Hello, ones, babies, bigger. So I wanted to share with you some of these things along the way because some people may be interested in transitioning to foods and a lifestyle that provides more energy and in the long run costs less. It's pretty good, huh? Well, I just got back from a long walk from the market. Here's the path I come down. That is just part of the land here. But I also wanted to share with you one more thing. Here's some wheatgrass I started, and the squirrel, it went into it. So here's, I did a video of what I ate in a day, but it didn't take in the video making here, so got lost in my computer. And on that day I'd eaten a Guanabana. And my Instagram, there's a picture of one, and I found another one today in the store. I don't have a tree yet, but today are this big. This one, you can see, it's well 5 pounds. I don't know, is that 1 or 2 kilos? It's very soft. Today I bought it very soft, so I would have some. So I'm going to peel it for you right now because it's so soft. You'll see it looks like it's very pokey. It almost looks like a giant avocado, but it's not part of that family. We can't. It's interesting once you start to get to being unique fruits, just like any food is. It's hard to compare them. Can you see it? Okay, I'm going to silence and then show you. Inside there's a seed, a black seed. And this tree that produces this also produces seeds that can be grown for more trees. Some fruits don't do that so well, some do. This you might want to research more because we're not going to do a story about Guanabana now. This tree is associated with anti-cancerous properties, including the leaves of the tree. There's a tree here, and if I turn this, you'll be facing it, but not seeing it. Here's a big inga tree around me, and in the distance there, the skinny trunk is a young Guanabana tree. And I chose this one today to eat. Okay, this is in Ecuador. Peace, babies. There's the clothesline.